Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another session of Peeking Over the Fence. And I'm your host, Richard Landy. Welcome here today. This is for financial advisors and their teams who might be considering their next transition opportunity. So, again, welcome. And as you may know, we are Bridgemark Strategies. We're an independent recruiting or consulting firm, but we work for you. The client is the financial advisors. And know this, we have agreements with over 120 different firms throughout the entire country, which is to your benefit and gives us the competitive edge. We work for you in an unbiased approach. Again, our competitive edge. Today, I'm going to talk about the favorite time of season for me, and it is the favorite time of season. And I'm not talking about Christmas. It's around the corner, but I'm not talking about Christmas today. We're talking about the transition packages that are coming out into the marketplace today for advisors considering a transition are absolutely heating up. Crazy. So remember this, the momentum picks up as we come out of September, out of summer. It's every September, October, November, and the early part of December. The deals are amazing because many firms, and we've been talking to our firms, are behind goal for Q3 and Q4 of this year. So in an attempt to capture that business, they increase these deals, they make them very competitive, and they've absolutely heated up. Today, we're going to cover a couple of things, but before I go there, I have a disclaimer for you. The deals vary based on your actual practice. They're not all the same, right? Let's talk about number one, which is in the independent space and their offers. Amazing competitive offers. They've gotten nothing but better year over year. So get ready for this one. Just recently, I had a deal come up where they offered over 125% on their T12 to a particular team. But most of these are going to range somewhere between 50 and 70, up to 90% in some cases of GDC. But in one particular firm, they've now approached 125% of GDC, while other firms are going to pay on your assets. Now, think about this one 50, 100 basis points. We just had a deal done on 110 basis points on the AUM. That was their advisory business as well as brokerage business. It did not include directly held assets. We would have to talk about that sidebar. Many also have back-end bonuses, 1, 2, or 3 years. Again, based on the assets that you carry over that go onto platform, 25, 50, up to 100 basis points we have seen. Terms of these deals tend to be 7 years, 9 years, and we're now seeing them go up to 10 years in the independent space. The wires and the regional transition deals, again, they do not disappoint. They have been very consistent, somewhere between that 150% up front, as much as 300 plus. Now, they also have back ends that could be 2 years, 3 years. And with that, they are going to require targets, and you've got to hit 100% of your target goals in order to get 100% of that transition package. And number three, we're going to talk about tax considerations. You have to pay taxes on this money that's given to you. You got to pay it back over time. So let's take, for example, a 7-year term. 1/7 of the taxes have to be paid on this offer over that 7-year period towards your taxes. Now, some firms will take out a little bit less in the very early years for you, so you can get up and ramp up your GDC and your revenue, and that's perfectly fine. But remember, in the latter years, your pay has to catch up with you, and those payments can be higher. You just want to be very aware of that. You got to be aware. Again, you owe the taxes. It's going to be ordinary taxes. Understand how your taxes are going to be paid. Back-end bonuses, how are they calculated? And what happens if you happen to miss one or multiple bonus targets? Can you recoup those somehow, or they're gone for good? So in summary, independent deals are they have heated up. The wirehouse transactions, the regionals, they just never disappoint on their offers. Tax considerations, know what they are. And finally, buyer beware. So look, I hope this helped out just a little bit. If you'd like to learn more, maybe you have a general question or an opportunity to peek over your own fence, feel free to contact me. I'd love the opportunity to chat with you, and have an awesome day, everybody.